Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the deeper studies of the Quran, today I'm going to be doing Surat Yasin, ayat number 48 and 49. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ayat number 48 is وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. So the disbelievers, they ask the prophet, they ask the believers that when will the threat come to pass if what you say is true. This is the height of their arrogance. Remember, in the previous ayat they said that if Allah is so rich, then why doesn't he feed the poor himself, and why does he ask us to feed them? And now in this ayat they challenge the messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam that bring down the punishment, and when is it coming, why is it coming here already, all the ways to mock the prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it must be remembered that the punishment is of three types. The first is in the form of destruction of the nations, and then, of course, on the judgment day, and then the hellfire is the ultimate place of where the people who say these kind of things will live. So this is also a kind of their arrogant statement, mocking the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that when will this punishment about which you are warning us, when will the judgment day come? And it's not that they want to do something about it; they just want to make fun. Then the next ayat is ayat number 49. ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون. It means that they must be awaiting a single blast which will seize them until they are entrenched, seize them, and at a time when they are entrenched in the worldly dispute. So they will be doing all their normal worldly things, and all of a sudden this single blast is going to seize them. On judgment day, trumpet will be blown by an angel, causing all of the people, everyone to die, and all the changes that are going to take place on the earth, they will take place. And then when it is blown a second time, then everyone will be raised from their graves, and the dead will be raised for judgment. So this is what they are waiting for, that this judgment day comes upon them all of a sudden when they are busy doing their worldly chores, and then they will be standing in front of Allah for judgment, and at that time they will not be able to deny anything. So these were the two ayahs for today. وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ مَا يَنظُرُونَ إِلَّا صَيْحَةً وَاحِدَةً تَأْخُذُهُمْ وَهُمْ يَخِصِّمُونَ. Inshallah, tomorrow we will do further. Fi aman Allah.